Welcome to a brand new work week. This is the Beamish Blogcast for Monday, February 19th, 2018. A brand new week and a brand new storm system moving in our direction. This one colder than last week and perhaps a little snowier as well for our friends atop Mount Lemmon. Meanwhile, for the valley floors here in Metro Tucson, not nearly as much rain as what we saw just a few days ago. At the top of the 8 o'clock hour, scattered showers are rolling across portions of Cochise, Graham, Green Lake counties. This is where scattered showers should stay confined much of the morning and afternoon here in Tucson. I'm not going to rule out an isolated shower during the daytime hours. This is all ahead of a cold front that's starting to enter the state. Gusty winds ahead of this front, especially east of Tucson, where gusts of 40 miles per hour are certainly not out of the question. So Cochise, Graham, Green Lake counties, a wind advisory for you starting at noon, expiring 11 o'clock tonight. Meanwhile, here in Tucson, those winds on the order of 20 to 30 miles per hour. The good news here, if you're driving an I-10, we are not expecting any blowing dust issues thanks to last week's rainfall. Snow level down to about 5,000 feet heading into the evening hours, accumulating snow above 7,500 feet. Winter weather advisory out for these spots through 11 o'clock tonight. Maybe upwards of a half foot of snow for Mount Graham in the White Mountains. Mount Lemmon on the order of 2 to 4 inches of snow, certainly not out of the question. Far from a lock, but at least that potential is there. A better potential for snow than last week. Here's Futurecast as we're heading toward the dinner hour, 7 o'clock tonight. That's when scattered shower chances start for Metro Tucson. Rain chances at 30% as that cold front moves through. Notice this narrow band of rain and mountain snow from Tucson up toward Graham and Green Lake counties. That's that cold front. It'll pass through the state heading into the late night hours. I think a lot of the rain and mountain snow tapers off after midnight. Waking up to partly cloudy skies on your Tuesday, and I think that cloud cover may hang out just a bit tomorrow afternoon. Cooler as well. Daytime highs on your Tuesday, probably 10 degrees cooler than this afternoon. As mentioned, not as much rain out of this cold front than what we saw last week, perhaps up to 0.2 of an inch of rain possible, 2 to 4 inches of snow, certainly not out of the question atop Mount Lemmon. And another story we'll be tracking here is the potential for freezing temperatures across much of Metro Tucson tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning. I have 33 for the forecast low heading into Wednesday morning here at the airport, but for your backyard, upper 20, certainly not out of the question. Remember the 4 Ps before heading off to bed on Tuesday night. Maybe remaining unsettled later in the week, models hinting at the potential of another storm system Thursday and Friday. Gusty winds Thursday afternoon, slight shower chance on Friday with highs heading into the weekend into the upper 50s. So just in time for the Tucson Rodeo Parade, still looking a little unsettled, but unlikely you'll need the umbrella for the rodeo parade itself on Thursday morning. Thanks for logging on. I'll catch you on the TV side today for News 4 Tucson at noon.